Today we will create a minimalist beginner makeup starter kit with Too Faced. Hello, I'm Cutie Lucy. First, lipstick. If you want a bold, classy lipstick that's hydrating, comfortable and long-wearing with a creamy demi-matte finish, choose Lady Bold lipstick. It's a great option for special events. If you are into nude, neutral, chocolate-inspired shades with a creamy finish, go on Coca Bold lipstick. You can use it for everyday wear and pairs beautifully with one-tone outfits or makeup looks. If you are looking for a long-lasting plumping lipstick with a creamy demi-matte finish, Lip Injection Power Plumping Cream Longwear Liquid Lipstick is for you. Now we are moving to concealer. If you want to use a full glam special events, use Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. If you need full coverage for dark cycles, blemishes or discoloration, photo-ready finish, this one's for you. You can use it as a multi-use product for concealing, contouring, highlighting and reduction. If you have normal, dry or mature skin, and if you are looking for a lightweight, brightened concealer for your dark cycles with a luminous finish, choose Born This Way Ethereal Light Illuminating Smoothing Concealer. It is a waterproof formula, so you can use it at outdoor activities or daily. Setting powder. If you want hydrating, blur the pores and white contouring powder, try Born This Way Soft Blur Flexible Finish Setting Powder. It is suitable for normal, dry or mature skin. If you want to brighten your skin, blur the pores, absorb warm and radiant finish, go on Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. Blush. If you want a soft matte natural finish, choose Cloud Crush Blurring Blush. It is blurring the skin texture and fadable and blendable blush. Now mascara. If you need waterproof durability with volume, length and curl lashes, go with Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. It's perfect for long-lasting outdoor events or if you live in a humid climate. If you want a soft, natural brown eye look with volume, length and curl lashes, choose Better Than Sex Volumizing Mascara. If you have sensitive eyes or if you prefer the clean beauty, try Naturally Better Than Sex Mascara. Finally, lip gloss. If you want a glossy lip plumper, Lip Injection Extreme Plumping Click is the best option for you. But if you want lip gloss with wow, check out Kissing Jelly Hydrating Lip Wine Gloss. If you are looking for natural-looking volume and if you are an entry-level lip plumper, use Lip Injection Plumping Lip Gloss. If you are already like lip plumpers and want stronger plumping result, go on Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper. If you are looking for the boldest plumping effects and comfortable with the intense sensation, try Lip Injection Maximum Plump Extra Strength Hydrating Lip Plumper Gloss. After you choose lipstick, concealer, powder, blush, mascara, and lip gloss. Now we have an essential version of the Too Faced Beginner Makeup Starter Kit. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my Cutie Lucy's channel. This is the part 1 of the Too Faced Beginner Makeup Starter Kit. In the part 2 video, I will show you how I elevate everyday makeup kit. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. If you are interested in beginner makeup kits, I make many brand kits for you. You can check out here. Bye!